Model, 2013 Vauxhall Combo L1 Diesel 2300 1.3 CDTI 16V ecoFLEX H1 van spares OR repairs simple fix smiling face with hearts. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 115945. MOT, 30 March 2024. Engine, 1248 cc 1.3D. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Engine is 100% gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, parking sensors, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear.